Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to contact support in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to contact support in Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see there are a bunch of icons available for us, and on the bottom middle section of the screen there is the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the support button available for us just beside the settings. Tap on the support button at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here, guys. So before you proceed to contact the Temu customer service, you can see a bunch of articles available for us, which are help articles. Now if your problem is connected to one of these articles, following through recommended topics to policies and others, including your customer support records and question item. By going through all of these, guys, if your problem is still not solved, then you can tap on the contact us button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on contact us and you'll be taken to the virtual assistant of Temu over here, where you will be able to chat with your Temu's virtual assistant. If the problem gets complex, guys, our manager will be assigned to chat with you on Temu. And with that being said, guys, this is how to contact support in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.